Hey guys, for science today we are going to start talking about rotation. We've wrapped up our geology unit and now we're going to start with astronomy. So rotation, we're talking about the rotation of the Earth. Other planets rotate, the moon rotates as well, but today we're going to focus on what rotation means on the Earth. So you will get a Google Slides presentation that looks like this, but you'll notice that there are blanks. You will need to go in and fill these blanks. Each single blank represents one word. So this first line, you would have 4 words that you need to replace right here. This would be one word. So make sure you're paying attention to the number of blanks because that's how many words will go there. I'm going to show you the completed slides, and you will use my completed copy to fill in your notes. So, rotation notes. What does rotation mean? Rotation means that the Earth is spinning. So think about what it means to spin. The Earth is spinning constantly. It spins on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line from the North Pole to the South Pole. It goes right through the Earth. Earth's axis is tilted. If you ever look at a globe, you will see that the globe is tilted. We've got it off center. It's not straight up and down, and that's because the Earth is not straight up and down. So the axis is just like this part that goes through the globe from the North Pole down to the South Pole, and that is where the Earth rotates. But again, it's rotating on its axis. How long does it take to rotate? For Earth, it takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate. So that's to rotate all the way completely around. Different planets rotate at different speeds. Later in this unit, we will talk about different planets and which ones take a long time to rotate, which ones take a little bit of time. It's very interesting to see the speeds that planets rotate at. What does rotation cause? Rotation causes our day and our night. If the Earth did not spin, we would not have day and night like we do. The part of the Earth that faces the sun experiences day, and the part of the Earth that faces away from the sun experiences night. So thinking about our globe, if my sun is over here, that means this part of the Earth is having daytime, and this part of the Earth over here would be experiencing night. And as that Earth rotates, that changes. So now this part would be having day, well, rotates the other way. This part would be having day, and this part would be having night. This is why we have time zones. Over here, we've got the east coast of the United States, and these guys, as the Earth is spinning, they face the sun sooner than the west coast. So the east coast has a different time zone because 6 a.m. on the east coast, it could be getting light, but at the same time that it's getting light on the east coast, the west coast is still in the dark. So that's why we've got our time zone set up like that. So here you can see a graphic of the Earth spinning. This line through here is that axis that we talked about. And you can see that the Earth is spinning. Here we've got the east coast and the west coast of the U.S. Finally, here we've got an image of the Earth. And for this one, I'm going to take it off of presentation mode. So this is the view if we were looking from the North Pole down. So if you rotate, so to rotate it, you click on this and you choose this little circle up here at the top. You can rotate this Earth, and you'll notice that, for instance, here we've got North America. When North America is experiencing nighttime, we have Europe and Asia over here that are experiencing daytime. If you've ever talked to somebody who lives in Europe or Asia, their time zones are very different because they experience daytime at a different point. So here we've got the east coast of the United States is daytime, the west coast is still nighttime. And then as we continue to rotate, now we've got all of the US in the daytime. So as we rotate, we experience that day and night cycle.